you guys. There's really not much for me to say other than this is just fantabulous. It's so good. Oh my gosh. Hello everyone, I am Deborah. Welcome. This year, you guys, I decided to include additional protein as part of my healthy lifestyle, and really didn't realize and pay attention to protein until this year. And when I started doing some research on it, realized that protein is in every cell of the body, your skin, your bones, your blood, your hair, your guys, it is in everything. And protein is also very important for building muscle mass as well as retaining it. So this year, the obvious thing for me to do was to include more of it in my diet, and I have actually been doing that as far as including more meat such as lean chicken, lean turkey, turkey bacon, etc. in my diet. Now, another form of putting protein in your diet is in the form of protein shake. You guys, I have come across some phenomenal recipes that I have been making, and today I am making yet another one. So if you want to learn how I'm going to take this Ice Pure zero carb protein and combine it with some strawberries and some banana flavor, stay with me and I will show you how coming up next. All right, you guys, welcome back. Real quick, real easy, but this is going to be phenomenally good. So I've already got in my NutriBullet container. I already have a half a cup of unsweetened almond milk. I'm going to add some sweetener, and all the measurements will be on the screen. This is banana extract, you guys. A pinch of salt to enhance the flavor. A scoop of this zero carb Ice Pure protein. And some frozen strawberries. Now you guys, to save yourself some time, once you get your fruit or your sliced zucchini, which is another thing that I've been putting in my smoothies to help make it creamy, do yourself a favor when you get the fruit or that zucchini, rinse it off, slice it up, put it in the freezer and freeze it, and put it into a freezer-proof bag. And lastly, you guys, I have got to go to the freezer and get some ice cubes. I'll be right back. Okay, and the ice cubes. All right. Put the lid on, and it's time to blend. Oh wow, you guys, this looks amazing. There's still some ice in it, so I'm going to blend it for a couple more minutes. But this stuff is so creamy, and I smell the bananas and the strawberry flavor just popping through. Okay. you guys, this is ready. Come in closer and take a look. All right, you guys, look at this. Look how creamy that is. Ah, delicious. And there we have it. All right, everyone. Time to give this a taste. And I hope I don't have a milk mustache because I have to confess. The container that I made this in, there was just a little bit left, and I already tasted it, and I might have a little on my lips, so please forgive me. Lord, I thank you. You guys, there's really not much for me to say other than this is just fantabulous. It's so good. Oh my gosh. You've got the banana flavor without having the bananas in it and the extra carbs. You got these strawberries that are fresh, and because they're frozen, it adds to the creaminess of this protein shake. I have been just thinking about different things that I can put in this protein. This is my new favorite thing. You guys, again, it's fast, it's easy, it's delicious, it's healthy, and it is one of my go-to things right now, whether it be a meal replacement or if I just need like a dessert. This is it. Absolutely fantastic. So if you guys are into these protein shakes as well, please do share some of the flavors and some of the things that you put in yours by leaving it in the comments below. And I would definitely love if you guys would give this video a thumbs up. Please do share, and please do press that subscribe button below. We'd love to have you guys as a part of my YouTube family. And remember, you guys, to remain safe, healthy, and encouraged. And it is a great day. You make it your own kind of special by coming up with delicious, healthy protein shakes such as this banana strawberry. And until we meet again, you guys, keep growing, keep thriving, keep pushing those boundaries, and I'll see you all real soon on my next Fit Fab 50. Thank you, you guys.